What's up, guys? It's me here. Today I want to take you on a journey back in time. It's not just any journey, mind you, but the ultimate journey, the one that started it all. We're going back to the very beginning to see how a tiny spark from the Big Bang gave birth to the vast universe and our home, Earth. So buckle up, because this is going to be one hell of a ride. I recently started a new channel called Beyond the Stars. The first video I posted was the history of the universe. I figured it would be a great way to introduce people to my new channel and what they can expect there. The goal is to bring my educational style to space exploration, cosmology, astrophysics, and everything else related to the amazing discoveries being made in the world of space today. So if you have an interest in these topics, then I invite you to ask YouTube's algorithm to show you more of it. In other words, subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, here's that video I mentioned. A 13.8 billion year journey. Hi. Welcome to Beyond the Stars, where we explore the greatest science fiction stories ever told, the real ones. And let me start today's story with a question. How did a tiny spark from the Big Bang give birth to the vast universe and our home Earth? Let's go back in time and find out. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began its existence as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. Then something incredible happened. The universe expanded rapidly in a process known as inflation. Fundamental particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons formed during this period. Soon after, the first light, known as the cosmic microwave background, illuminated the expanding cosmos. This marked the end of the Dark Ages and the beginning of a new era in the universe. As the universe continued to expand and cool, the first-generation stars, population 3, ignited, shining brightly and producing elements heavier than helium through nuclear fusion. These stars lived fast and died young, exploding as supernova and scattering their contents into space, which created the building blocks for future galaxies and planetary systems. Over billions of years, gravity caused these particles to clump together, forming the first galaxies, including our very own Milky Way. Within the Milky Way, a solar nebula, a giant cloud of gas and dust, began to collapse under the influence of gravity. At around 4.6 billion years ago, the core of the nebula became so dense that nuclear fusion ignited, giving birth to our Sun. With the Sun at its center, the remaining material in the nebula formed a spinning disk and eventually coalesced into planets, including the one we call Earth. Earth was initially a molten world, bombarded by asteroids and meteorites during a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. However, as it cooled, a solid crust formed and the atmosphere began to develop. But the Earth wasn't alone. It had a large moon named They, which formed as a result of a Mars-sized planet colliding with Earth early in its history. The impact ejected massive amounts of material into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. As Earth continued to cool, it differentiated into its three distinct layers: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The core, which is still mostly liquid, contains a solid inner part as well. The mantle is a thick layer of cooler, denser rock that surrounds the core, while the crust is the outermost rigid layer of the planet. During this time, water arrived on Earth in the form of comets, which also played a role in bringing other organic molecules to the planet. Additionally, Earth's volcanic outgassing released water vapor and other gases from its interior, contributing to the formation of the first oceans. Around 4.4 billion years ago, Earth had cooled enough for water to exist in its liquid form on the surface, creating vast oceans that covered the planet. Early Earth was teeming with activity as tectonic plates moved around, continents formed, and life began to emerge. But life wasn't the only thing that was emerging. Earth's early atmosphere was quite different from today's. Initially rich in carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, and other gases, it lacked significant amounts of oxygen. The first microorganisms emerged around 3.8 billion years ago in the ocean. These simple, single-celled organisms were the predecessors to all life on Earth and likely played a crucial role in shaping the planet's early environment. As life evolved, so did the Earth's atmosphere. Around 2.7 billion years ago, cyanobacteria, a type of photosynthetic bacteria, appeared and began producing oxygen as a byproduct of their metabolism. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, gradually transformed Earth's atmosphere from a reducing to an oxidizing one, paving the way for more complex life forms to evolve. Primitive life continued to evolve, eventually leading to multicellular organisms. Over the next few billion years, life on Earth diversified and became increasingly complex. Animals, plants, and fungi colonized the land, marking a new chapter in the planet's history. Around 200 million years ago, a new intelligent species emerged: Homo sapiens, modern humans. With their advanced cognitive abilities and capacity for innovation, humans quickly became the dominant species on the planet. They developed tools, built civilizations, and explored the world around them, forever altering the course of Earth's history. Meanwhile, the universe continued to expand. Galaxies collided, and new stars ignited. Our sun, once a young star, now shines brightly in the Milky Way, providing light and warmth to the planets in our solar system. The Earth, with its rich biodiversity and active geology, remains a dynamic and evolving planet. While humans continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, they also strive to understand the origins and complexities of their own planet. The story of the universe is a vast and awe-inspiring one. From the Big Bang to the emergence of intelligent life on Earth, each event has played a crucial role in shaping the world we know today. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, we can't help but wonder what the future holds. Will the universe expand forever, or will it collapse in on itself? What other wonders and discoveries await us as we venture further into the unknown? Only time will tell. But for now, we can marvel at the incredible journey that brought us to where we are today, and appreciate the delicate balance of forces that have allowed life to flourish on our little blue planet. So what do you think? Did you learn anything new? Leave a comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. I'm talking about my new channel, Beyond the Stars. The next video I'll post there will be black holes, gateways through space and time. I hope you'll check it out. Thanks for watching. In a nutshell, here's the journey we took. From the Big Bang to the birth of the universe, the formation of galaxies and stars, the creation of the solar system and the Earth, the arrival of life on Earth, the evolution of the atmosphere, and the emergence of humans. And finally, a glimpse into the possible future of the universe. But no matter what the future may hold, one thing is certain. The story of the universe is a testament to the incredible power and beauty of nature. Now go out, explore the world, and remember, the universe is full of wonders. Just look at the Earth. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe and stay updated. And as always, keep looking up.